So I was managed to figure out the problem on this ceiling fan, and up there on the box on the very top there was a loose wire or disconnected wire, whatever you call it, was disconnected. I was managed to turn off the power first and then climb up there and reconnected it and fixed, and now it's working now. So yeah, and here's speed 2 on the fan. As you can see, it's working. It's going a little faster on reverse. 3, 4, and 5. And 5 is literally the craziest speed. And you can hear it's starting to sound like a helicopter now. You can kind of hear it. Okay, we turn this off. And then I'll put on reverse. So the reverse switch is located right here. Turn it to forward. And then we'll turn it on. I'll go with high, since low takes forever to start up. Here we go. Here it goes. Sounds like a helicopter. It's because of it's a 3-bladed fan, but it's also metal too. Okay, well that's it for today. It was a simple fix on the top, so it's working now. So yeah, simple.